We are thrilled to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, guys, and in this video I will show, or rather share, the easiest and quickest way to check any device specifications by just using your personal phone. To start, the check that I will show today will be performed using your phone's or your device's email number, which you can check either in your respective phone settings or the more general and just easy way to get the email number of the device you would like to check the specifications of is to open the dial pad, then input the *#06# secret code, and you should get the device information, and among other specs you'll find both email numbers of yours, or well, if your phone is one SIM device or tablet is one SIM, single SIM device, you'll see one email. Now copy it or write it down if you cannot copy it. Then go into Play Store on an Android phone or App Store if you have an iPhone or just an iOS device in general, and look up the following application, that is Email Info Checker. Now get it installed. Launch the app once it is installed, and here at the main page of the app, either paste or manually input the email number of the device you would like to see the specifications of, and then tap at the Check Email button. And here are your specifications: basic information, dimensions, display, network compatibility, battery information, and well, camera megapixels count, or amount rather. If that's not enough for you and you would like to get even more specifications, no problem here. Just tap at the full device specifications button and you will be forwarded to the email.info webpage. That is the biggest email numbers and well, device specifications database out there, by the way. And here you'll see the full list of all the device specifications. So scroll down. They are conveniently split into respective categories such as basic information, parameters, comments, and other. There is other information to begin with. And here is the list of, well, all kinds of specs that you'll ever need to know about your respective device. Should it be phone or tablet, as long as it has cellular capabilities and have the email number assigned to it, you will be able to use this method. By the way, you do not even have to manually enter the email number here or use the secret code I've showed earlier in the video. If you have the email barcode, usually it is written at the device package that you get. You can also use this email checker or email info checker app to scan such QR or barcode. Just allow the app to have camera access. Get it scanned like so. Once it gets scanned, it will appear at the top of this list. Tap on it, and from here the procedure is identically same. So as far as this video goes, guys, that will be more or less it. So if you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.